We're gonna do a little walk around inspection and check out this brand new foreclosure that I just got assigned to me. I can already tell this one's gonna have some work done to it. There's trash everywhere. There's a code enforcement hearing notice in the front yard. Yeah, you can see previous tarps on the roof that have blown off. And this is a concrete block house that they did a stucco finish over. You can see right there in the bottom left corner of the house. Definitely have to replace those 4 windows. Those are old, ancient. You've got a door, looks like going into the garage. So this is supposed to be a 3-2. All right, well, here's your living room. Yeah, they left all the crappy furniture. Here's a dining room. Looks like a bonus room. Now all the AC ducts are coming up through the floor. Something you don't see very often here in Florida. It's got a utility room right there. There's no power on, so it's going to be kind of hard to see in here, but this is the garage. Pretty tall ceilings, but it's just full of junk. Okay, so let's see, we've got another room, bonus room, sunroom. Now there are some new windows, it looks like. Oh boy, that's a mess. So let's see, this deck looks horrible. Yeah, you can see tarps here on the back part of the roof. So we definitely gonna have to have a new roof. So we got some wood rot termite damage here on this old French door. Needs a good pressure washing. So these rooms look to have new windows. Let's see, we've already been in that Florida room. So here's the dining room. Goes into the kitchen. Oh Lord. All right, so this kitchen's gonna be a gut job redo for sure. Nice spot there in the ceiling too. Now let's check out the bedrooms. Okay, bath 1, guest bath. Lovely yellow and green tile. It's just a stand-up shower. Oh, and then no plumbing. There's one of those old windows that's gonna have to be replaced. So, I guess this would be the master since it's got the only other bathroom. That's not near as bad as the other one. But could totally be redone. Okay, here's a middle bedroom. So it's a 3-2. And like I said, some of these do have newer windows. This room has newer windows. And here's the other bedroom. Okay, well here's another problem. They only have 2-prong non-grounded outlets here in this room. that means the chances are that they've gone back and just put three-prong outlets and non-grounded circuits. I'm imagining that's probably the case. Oh boy, that means should have some space downstairs. Okay, well that's the inside, which you can tell it's going to need a good bit of work. Yeah, there's lots of spots where the ceiling's leaking. All right, let's go walk around the back and see what we got. All right, you can see some chipping paint on that windowsill. Let's see, these two windows look newer. Oh, that HVAC system looks really new. All right, well that's probably the best part of the house. All right, they got junk everywhere. Oh, Lord. Wow. You just never know what you're going to find with these houses. Oh, wow, we got a little efficiency down here. Ceilings are about 6'2". I'm about 6 feet, and there's about an inch or two above my head. So this would not count as any type of living square footage because the ceilings are too low. There's no power, so we can't really see too much. But it's got a bathroom. Dang, it's got a stand-up shower. Okay, my head almost touches in this bathroom. Wow. So a little space down here. How interesting. Oh, built-ins. Oh, wow. Okay, so here's your hot water heater. Is gas. Yeah, you can't see back in there, but you do have a pretty good crawl space underneath there. Looks like a gas furnace. So the HVAC system is actually kind of new, which is nice. But the rest of the house needs a lot of work. I mean, look at all this junk. Holy crap. And this thing keeps going. Here's another room. I guess they didn't use garbage service and just dumped it down here in this little room. I don't know what this is. Look at these old stairs. It's interesting. Like I said, this is a really good location. And that is the best thing going for it. Look at all these stairs. All right, you got this deck's a little bit rotten. Yeah, you can see there's a tarp on the roof on that section. There's one on the garage. Whoa. So you got multiple leaking areas in the roof. So it's gonna have to be replaced. You've got some windows to replace. There's some exterior wood rot. Needs a really good pressure washing. Jeez, look at that. I mean, these people threw their garbage everywhere. Gross. Look at that, looks like a little hidden room, like a little dungeon or something. Well, this is a bank client I haven't done work for in a long time, and I don't know what their rehab policy is, but I hope they don't plan on rehabbing this one. It's just too much for a corporate seller to do. But it's gonna have the same problem with the other house I have. that roof shot is gonna have to be replaced to get insurance, which isn't good.